Okay, hello everyone, guys. Good morning, all of you. Good morning. My name is Afreen Mam, and today is final marathon for PPB. As you all know, you have your exam tomorrow, so I will be trying that all the important questions from all the module will be covered in today's session, in today's final marathon session. So everyone, just please comment once about the audio and video of the class. Is everything is working fine or not? Good morning, Kiran. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, everyone. So I hope so. You are all ready and buck up for your tomorrow's session or tomorrow's exam. And we will covering all the important questions from all the modules in today's session. Okay. Just please, everyone, just please confirm once about the audio and video. Thank you so much, Kiran. Is everything is working fine? Okay. So let's start the session. Yes or no? Let's start the session. Yes. So let's start the session and let's start with the very first question. First question is payment in due course means. Payment to be made in due course means what? What does this word means? We have four options. Need not always be made to holder but can be made to his agent or servant. Need always to be made to holder but can be made to his agent or servant. Made to customer, agents or servant, or all of the above are correct. Which of the following is correct? Okay. Okay, please answer the question, everyone. Guys, payment in due course. Sanjay has said one means A. Sanjay had said A. So, payment in due course means what? See, payment in due course not necessarily means that the payment should be done to the particular holder only. They can be done to his agent, the one person who is acting on the behalf of holder, or to the servant as well. That is known as payment in due course. Payment in due course can be made to any of these, holder or his agent or his servant. So the correct answer for this question is a very easy question, very easy question. Okay. Yes. Next question is what? ALPMs is what? ALPMs. Please tell me the full form of ALPMs, everyone. Just please tell me the full form of ALPMs. See, in early banking phase, when banking computerization were just introduced in different banking branches, bank were using the standalone systems for like saving or for different type of transaction like saving and current and different for recording different type of transaction. uh, that in that time standalone computers were used, and these were that standalone computers were known as ALPM, automatic ledger posting machine. Okay, and these were not connected with each other because they were the standalone computer for recording of the different type of transaction. So the correct answer for this question is A, automatic ledger posting machine. Yes, A is the correct answer. Perfect. Clear? Everyone, yes or no? Done? Good going. Good, good. Next question is what? For agriculture infrastructure. See, for agriculture infrastructure, ceiling for sanctioned limit per borrower from the banking system is what? 100 crore, it's 1000 crore, it's 1200 crore, or it is 1800 crore. See, for agriculture infrastructure, the ceiling that is a sanctioned limit per borrower from the banking system is what? What is the upper limit for the agriculture infrastructure that was sanctioned by bank? 100 crore, 1000 crore, 1200 crore, or 1800 crore. So the correct answer for this is okay. Everyone saying is A. Everyone saying is A. Yes. So the correct answer is also A. That is 100 crore. Clear? 100 crore is the correct answer. Perfect. Clear. Next question. Okay, now you have to choose the correct statement here. We have three statements listed. You have to choose the correct statement. Okay, FERA and FEMA, these are the very important act related to your exam. These acts are very common in IEIFS and PPB in both the subject. So you need to learn these act, FERA and FEMA. Now there are three options. First, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act was enacted to replace FEMA. This act also empowers RBI to make rules and regulation to carry out provision of the act. Under the FEMA, all the transactions have been classified either into capital or current accounts. So, which of the following statement is or are correct? Which of the following statement is or are correct? Preeti said A. Okay, Kiran is saying B, and everyone else. Okay, everyone, just please answer the question. Okay, read the question carefully. See, FERA and FEMA. Now, which act is valid now, or which act is active now? First of all, my question from all of you is, which act is active now? So, active currently, FERA or FEMA? So FEMA is active, means FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, actually was enacted to replace FERA. Earlier there was FERA, and FERA has been replaced by FEMA. So the correct answer. So first option is obviously. Second is correct. This act empowers RBI to make rules and regulation regarding the provision of this act. And third is also right. Under the FEMA, all the transactions are classified either into capital or into current account. You all know about the capital and current account transaction. Capital accounts means that transaction will either affect the assets or affect the liabilities of the bank, then bank, or you can say anyone. If the transaction affect any type of liabilities or assets, then it is listed in capital transactions. And current transactions are those transactions which neither affect the financial liabilities nor affect the assets. Okay, so third is also correct. So the correct answer is 2 and third is correct. First is wrong. Why? Because FEMA is active now. Foreign Exchange Management Act has been enacted to replace FERA, because FERA was more of a conservative type of act. FEMA is more of a liberal kind of, which focuses on enhancing the foreign exchange reserve, while FERA was enacted with objective conserve foreign exchange reserve. One is for FERA is for the conserving the foreign exchange reserve, whereas FEMA, which is now active, helps to enhance the foreign exchange reserve. Clear? Done? Okay, next question is what? The shares of public limited company are not transferable, negotiable, or sovereign security. So the correct answer for this question is very easy. Very easy, everyone. The share of a public limited company are. The share of a public limited company are. Everyone, please answer the question. The share of a public limited company are. Okay, so the share of a public limited company are transferable or non-transferable. You have to choose between A and B. Okay, now, very easy. Yes, so the shares of the public sector companies are, yes, they are transferable. So the correct answer for this question is B, right? Okay, next question is what? Working capital includes what? See, there is a working capital, there is a term loan, there is a working capital loan, there is a term loan. So working capital loan includes what? Purchase of raw material, stores and spares, payment of the rent, payment of wages to employees, setting up plants and equipment. So working capital includes what? See, so the correct answer for this question is everyone. So the correct answer for this question is, okay, working capital. So Shrikant is saying A, and everyone else. Working capital includes what? Everyone, just please answer the question. So working capital includes what? Working capital First of all, purchase of raw material, stores and expense. Yes, these are working capital. Working capital is used for meeting the day-to-day expenses. So working capital includes, yes, A, and working capital includes, obviously, working capital includes payment of wages to employees. Okay, for example, purchasing of raw material, payment of the wages, payment of the electricity bill, day-to-day expenses, these are managed by the working capital requirement. While setting up of plant and machinery, these are the term loan requirement things. So the correct answer for this question is 1 and 3, means C is the correct answer. Okay, setting up and plant and machinery is the term loan thing. Okay, done? Yes, done. Next question. Now you have to choose the incorrect statement here. Just read the question carefully. You have to choose the incorrect statement here. Read the question carefully. Incorrect statement. Higher the risk, higher is the profitability. While lower is the risk, lower is the profitability. Fixed assets are less profitable than the current asset. Short-term funds are more expensive than the long-term funds. So the correct answer for this question is, you have to choose the incorrect statement, everyone. Incorrect statement. You have to choose the incorrect statement here. Everyone, please answer the question. Okay, just read it and answer the question. Okay, Janendra or Ajit, Shrikant, Kiran, everyone, please answer the question, please. Okay, so higher is the risk, higher is the profitability. Lower is the risk, lower is the profitability. Is this correct or not? Obviously, it is correct. So, first statement is correct. If you are taking the risk, high risk, you have the chance to earn high profit, as well as low risk, low profit. Okay. Next is that fixed assets are less profitable than the current asset. Actually, it is wrong. Fixed assets are actually more profitable than the current asset, because fixed assets are for a longer period of time. Okay. Third, short-term funds are more expensive than the long-term fund. Wrong. Short-term funds actually are less expensive as compared to the long-term fund. Long-term funds, because they require a very longer period of time for repayment, so they are obviously more expensive as compared to the short-term fund. So second is wrong, third is wrong, and first is correct. We have to choose the incorrect statement. So B is the correct answer, second and third. Okay, done? Yes or no? Yes or no, everyone? Done? Good. Good. Next question is what? Now you have to choose the correct statement again. There is CBDC. The statement is regarding central bank digital currency. So central bank digital currency, which is also known as a digital fiat currency, is a digital currency issued and guaranteed by the government, which can be used to make digital payments. CBDC increases the safety efficiency of the payment system by helping quick settlement of repeat payments, increase the efficiency of making payment at the point of sale between the two parties. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Central bank digital currency. You have to choose the correct statement regarding the central bank digital currency. So the correct answer is what? Okay. So one is saying, Janindra is saying the C is the correct answer, and everyone else. Okay, Janindra is saying C is the correct answer. Suman is also saying C is the correct answer. Okay, let's read the statement carefully. Central digital currency, which is also known as the digital fiat currency, is a digital currency issued and guaranteed by the government. Is the central bank digital currency is issued by the government? When the word itself says central bank digital currency, that means it is issued by RBI, Reserve Bank of India, not by the government. So first is wrong and second is correct statement. So second only means B is the correct answer. Okay. Not C. B is the correct answer. Clear? Yes or no, everyone? Just please answer. Clear? Done? Good, good, good. Next question is what? Cash credit facility is a fund-based facility, is a non-fund-based facility, both or none of the above. Cash credit facility. Cash credit facility. So the correct answer for this question is cash credit facility. Cash credit facility is what? Is a see, it is an arrangement that is offered by the banker to the borrower to just take on a certain a sanctioned limit of cash from the bank. Okay, that is known as cash credit facility. So cash credit facility requires obviously the immediate flow of cash. Yes or no? Because cash credit facility allows the borrower to just arrange a certain sanctioned limit of cash from the bank. Okay, so it requires the immediate flow of cash, and whenever any facility requires the immediate flow of cash, then it is listed in the fund-based facility. So A is the correct answer. Yes, A is the correct answer. Done? Good? Yes or no? Yes? Good. Next question is what? See, the ombudsman may reject a complaint at any stage if, see, an ombudsman can reject a complaint at any stage if if in his opinion there is no deficiency in the service, the compensation sought for the consequential loss is beyond the power of ombudsman, the complaint is without any sufficient cause, the complaint valuation exceed 20 lakh, you have to find the incorrect statement here. So, in which of the following cases the ombudsman can reject the complaint? You have to choose the incorrect statement here. Incorrect statement, guys. You have to choose the incorrect statement here. So, the correct answer is, please answer the question, everyone. Very easy. See, the ombudsman may reject the complaint if in his opinion there is no deficiency in the service. This is the correct statement. The compensation sought for the consequential loss is beyond the power of the ombudsman. Yes, obviously it is correct, because if it is not under the power of the ombudsman, then the ombudsman can reject a complaint. Third, the ombudsman is without, the complaint is without any sufficient cause. Yes, correct statement. The complaint valuation exceeds 20 lakh. It is incorrect statement, because 20 lakh is not the limit of the valuation for the ombudsman complaint. So the correct answer for this question is D, because we have to choose the incorrect statement here. So D is the correct answer. Okay, done? Yes or no? Everyone, done? Good. Next question is what? As per the Whistleblower Protection Act, the protection of genuine complaint is the responsibility of whom? So, as per the Whistleblower Protection Act, the protection of the genuine complaint is the responsibility of what? It is the responsibility of the Board of Director. It is the responsibility of the Reserve Bank of India. It is the responsibility of CEO, Central Executive Officer, or CVC, Central Vigilance Commission. So, the correct answer for this question is very easy. You can all answer this question correctly. Very easy. Yes, so the correct answer is CVC, Central Vigilance Commission. So, if the Whistleblower Protection Act is concerned, the protection of the genuine complaints is in the hand of the CVC. That is, the full form is Central Vigilance Commission. Okay, done? Good. Next question is what? See, the Indo-Nepal remittance facility was launched by RBI in May 2008, transferred from India to Nepal. What is the ceiling fixed per remittance? See, in the Indo-Nepal remittance, okay, what is the ceiling fixed per remittance. These were the schemes which were originally just introduced for the workers, Nepalese workers which are working in India. So for their facility, for the fund transfer of the Nepalese worker to their homeland, that is Nepal, that Indo-Nepal remittance facility scheme was launched by RBI in May 2008. So now you have to tell what is the ceiling fixed per remittance for this transfer. So the correct answer is ceiling fixed per remittance. So what is the ceiling fixed per remittance as per this transfer? So the correct answer is yes, C is the correct answer. Ceiling fixed is rupees 2 lakh. Done? Okay, 2 lakh. Yes, C is the correct answer. Good. Next question. You have to select the correct statement here. Now you have to select correct statement here. A data lake is a simple form of data warehouse that is focused on a single subject or a line of business such as sales, such as finance, such as market. A data mart allows organization to store a large amount of structured and unstructured data, for example, from social media or click stream data, and immediately make it available for real-time analytics, data science, and machine learning use cases. Now you have to choose the correct one. Very easy. Data lake and data mart. So you have to choose the correct statement here. Just read the question carefully, you will get the answer. Read the question carefully. Everyone, read the question carefully, you will get the answer. Sai is saying D is the correct, neither one nor two. See, data lake and data mart. See, lake and mart. Data mart. First of all, when we are talking about data mart is a place of the storage for the structured and well-defined data for a specific purpose. For example, there is a different data mart for sales. There are different data mart for marketing. There are different data mart for finance. So data mart is the data warehouse where the storage, where the information or where the data is stored in a structured and well defined manner for a specific purpose like sale and finance and marketing, different things. Whereas data lake means a data warehouse or a storage place where all the informations are dumped, means all the structured, unstructured, every information is stored in the data lake, and these are used for the real-time analytics. So both the statements are wrong because these are interchanged statement. Actually, first is data mart statement and second is data lake. Okay, yes or no? Done? Screen is not properly visible to Ajit and everyone else. Screen is perfectly visible. I'm seeing the screen also and it is perfectly visible. What thing is clear? Black background with the white make more visibility. Okay, so next, choose correct the statement again. ATMs which are set up, owned and operated by non-banks are called as brown label ATM. White label ATMs are those ATMs where the service provider owns the hardware and leases the ATM to bank. Cash management connectivity to banking network is the responsibility of the sponsor bank whose brand is used on the ATM. So the correct answer is everyone. So the correct answer for this question is everyone please answer the question. Everyone please answer the question. Yes, see. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Now you have to choose the correct statement here. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Okay, again answer is D. Everyone saying answer is D. First of all, brown label ATM and white label ATM. You all know about this. White label ATM means a label that ATM, label ATM means You can write anything on that ATM. White label ATM don't have any branding. They are operated, owned and set up by non-banks and does not follow the branding of any particular bank or does not promote any one particular bank. That is the white label ATM. Whereas the brown label ATM, these are the ATM which are taken up by lease by a certain bank. Okay, they have the branding of a certain bank. Okay, but they offer services to the customer of each and every bank, but they have the branding of a particular ATM or particular financial institution or a particular commercial bank. That is known as the brown label ATM. So obviously neither one nor two, because first and second both are wrong. First is the white label ATM and second one is the definition of brown label ATM. Clear? Done? Good. Next question is what? Now the features of cash recycling machine. Jo, Turant, please answer the question, everyone. This is very easy and I've already told you this. Features of cash recycler machine. First, cash recycler can accept cash from customer and dispense its well. They ensure the genuineness of the currency. It is made with a debit or a credit card, or the transaction limit is 50,000 per day. You have to answer this question. Very easy. Cash recycler machine. Okay, cash recycler machine. Everyone, please answer the question. Everyone, please answer the question. Cash recycler machine. See, cash recycler machine is what? Cash recycler machine, yes, they can accept cash from the customer and dispense it well. They ensure the genuineness of the currency. Here, the cash deposit is made with a debit or a credit card. Wrong. It is made with a debit card only, not credit card. Limit is 20,000 per day. So the correct answer for this question is 1 and 2 is the correct feature. Third and fourth is the wrong feature. Okay, done? Yes, B is the correct answer. Kiran, B is the correct answer. Okay, next question. See, under the Indo-Nepal remittance facility, all the walk-in or the non-customer are allowed to remit how many remittance in a year with a ceiling that is fixed at 50,000 per remittance. So, how many remittance are allowed in this Indo-Nepal remittance scheme? 10, 11, 12 or 13. Whereas you all know that the ceiling of the remittance is fixed at 50,000 per transaction. This Indo-Nepal remittance facility is launched especially for the Nepali worker that are working in India and they want to transfer money to Nepal, and for that reason, for that ease, Indo-Nepal remittance scheme was launched by RBI in 2008. So now you have to tell what is the maximum number of transactions that are allowed in a year for all the walk-ins as well as non-customer. So the correct answer is yes. Suman is correct. If Kiran is correct, that is 12. 12 is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, Shrikant is correct. 12 is the correct answer. Next question is what? See, the full form of NUUP in digital banking. We have four options: National Unified USSD Platform, Union Unified Performance, or Notional Unified USSD Platform. Very easy. By very easy, you can all answer this question. Very easy. Very easy. NUUP, the full form of NUUP. So the full form is National Unified USSD Platform. Obviously, A is the correct answer. National Unified USSD Platform. That is the full form of NUUP in digital banking. Next question. You have to choose the correct one. Now, see, we are learning very quick, or we are going very quick today because this is a marathon session, first of all. Second, tomorrow is your exam. So I I'm assuming that you all are well prepared for your exam, and this is for your revision. This is for your practice. This is for your revision. So I'm not explaining each and every question in very detail, but the question which I think that it need to be explained to you, I'm explaining that question. But because this is a marathon and because you have your exam tomorrow, because I want to cover the maximum question in today's marathon session, so I'm going fast, as you all know, and I hope that you all learning from this only. Okay, so periodic updation, it is the statements regarding the periodic updation. You have to choose the correct one. So for every high risk customer, the periodic updation should be done for at least 5 years. For low risk, 8 years. For medium risk, 10 years. Choose the correct one. Choose the correct one. High, low, and medium risk. So the correct answer is, please answer the question. Okay, D. D. Everyone saying none of the above is the correct answer. Good. Okay. None of the above is the correct answer. That is correct. But okay, tell me what is the periodic updation that is required for the high risk customer. So high risk customer in every 2 year. High risk customer in every, sorry. Okay, in every 2 years. When we are talking about low risk customer, it is every 10 year. And when we are talking about medium risk customer, it is every 8 year. Yes. So the correct answer is none of the above. Done. 2, 10, 8. Good. Medium is 8. Okay. Not 5. 8. Done. Okay, now next question, again choose the correct statement. The minor account should allowed to be overdrawn. On minor attaining majority, the guardian is still allowed to operate the account. Banks are free to fix the minimum age at which they allow minors to operate the saving bank's account independently. So you have to choose the correct statement here. You have to choose the correct statement here. Very easy question. You can all answer this question. Very easy question. Please answer this question. So the correct answer for this question is, first, the minor account should allowed to be over withdrawn. No, incorrect. They are not allowed to be over withdrawn. Okay. Next, on minor attaining maturity, the guardian is still allowed to operate the account. No, false. Third, banks are free to fix the minimum age at which they allow the minors to operate the saving account independently. Correct. So the correct answer is D. Only third is the correct answer. Okay. Done. D is the correct answer. Perfect. Good going, everyone. Next question is what? According to the rules for opening an operation of a partnership firm account, where should the operation in the account be stopped if the partner gives notice of the stoppage of operation? See, if there is any opening and operation of a partnership firm account, according to this rules, if partners give notice to stop the operation of the account, when should a bank follow this? Immediately after 24, after 48, or after 72 hours? So the correct answer is, everyone please answer the question. Very easy. Please, everyone, guys, like and share the video. Guys, everyone, at least like and share the video. Whoever is watching this, please like and share the video. So, when should the uh, bank stop the operation if the partner is saying that please stop the operation? So, the correct answer for this question is, everyone, please answer the question. So, the correct answer for this question is, yes, so the correct answer for this question is immediately. Obviously, immediately is the correct answer. Okay, done. So, A is the correct answer. Very easy. You are all correct. Next question, chalo. Next question. Now we have three statements. You have to select the correct statement. This is regarding the CHIPS, Clearing House Interbank Payment System. CHIPS is what? The full form is not Uncle Chips. Clearing House Interbank Payment System. Okay. So CHIPS is the world premier system for the transfer of the payment internationally. CHIPS use single system with a single channel link. CHIPS have never experienced a settlement failure in its history. So, which of the following statement is or are correct regarding the CHIPS? CHIPS. So CHIPS is a New York clearing house system that was introduced in year 1970s. As you all know, CHIP, the full form is Clearing House Interbank Payment System. It never see a failure in the history. Okay, so third is perfectly correct statement. First is perfectly correct statement. Second says that CHIPS use a single system with a single link channel. No, actually CHIP uses a dual system with a very high speed communication link. Why? Because they want that their history should be maintained as it is, that they should never experience a payment failure in its time. And that's why if any one of the channel blockage, then there is an option of the second channel that the transactions has been carried out. So they have the dual system, not a single channel. So obviously second statement is wrong. So first and third statements are correct. So A is the correct answer. Okay, done. Yes or no? Yes or no? Good, good, good. Next question is what? Next question is regarding the charts. There is a chips, there is a chart. The full form of chart is, the full form of chart is everyone. It is clearing house automated transfer system. Chat is what? Clearing House Automated Transfer System. So it is a Hong Kong based facility. So first, Chat provide interbank fund transfer facility in Hong Kong. Second, chats can be switched fully to alternate routes for transmission in the case of failure of a particular route. Third, chat doesn't offer online confirmation and inquiry facility. Very easy. Please answer the question. So the correct answer is, everyone please answer the question. You can all answer this question regarding the chats. Simple. So chat, the full form of chat, as you all know, clearing house automated transfer system. Okay, so chat is what? First, they provide interbank fund transfer facilities in Hong Kong. True. Chat can be switched fully to alternate routes. Yes. Chat doesn't offer online confirmation. No, it offers the immediate online communication of the transaction and inquiry facility. So obviously, first and second is true. So A is the correct answer. Okay, done, done. Yes, good. Next question is what? Next question, see. Financial inclusion. Again, you have to choose the correct statement. Financial inclusion stimulates the demand side, making people aware of what they can demand. Whereas financial literacy stimulates the supply side. So, by providing, not OCD, by providing financial market services that people demand. So, what is the financial inclusion and financial literacy? There are two statements. You have to choose the correct statement here. Now, you have to choose the correct statement here. Everyone, just choose the correct statement here. So, the correct answer is everyone. You can all answer this question. They see financial inclusion means what? To include each and every individual to the financial system of the banking. Actually, when we are talking about the financial inclusion thing, financial inclusion stimulates always the supply side because it provides the financial market and services that people demand. First of all, you need to demand. So for demanding, you should be literate. So obviously, if you are financially literate, then only you can demand different type of financial services. So financial literacy actually make people aware of what they can demand. Then comes the financial inclusion, which offers the people that facility that they are demanding. So these two statements are wrong because these are interchange. Always remember this. Okay, inclusion or demand. Demand, financial literacy creates demand, financial inclusion meet that demand. Okay, or met that demand. Clear? Yes or no, everyone? Yes or no? Clear? Done? Yes. So the correct answer is neither one nor two is the correct answer. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Next question is what? See, next question is Dash acts as an internal ombudsman of a bank. Dash act as a internal ombudsman of a bank. Chief compliance officer, chief customer service officer, chief risk officer, or head internal audit. You can all answer this question. You can all answer this question. Everyone, please answer this question. Dash act as an internal ombudsman of a bank. Internal ombudsman of a bank. Everyone. Ajit is correct and everyone is correct. Chief Customer Service Officer. These act as a internal ombudsman of a bank. CCSO. Chief Customer Service Officer. Okay. So what B is the correct answer? Everyone? Yes? Done. Definitely B is the correct answer. Next question. Who should sign the power of attorney if the account is jointly held by two or more persons? See, if any account is jointly held by two or more persons, then who should sign the power of attorney? Power of attorney, you all know it is an agreement authorizing the third party perform the function on the behalf of the partners. That is power of attorney. So power of attorney in case of joint account holding, who should sign it? All more than 50, all POA. So the correct answer is. So we have four options. Just read and answer the following. Everyone. Yes, it should be signed by the all joint account holder. Yes, very easy. Again, it should be signed by all account holder. So the correct answer for this question is C. Done? Clear? Yes or no? Cool. Next question is what? See, sexual harassment include. Now we have four options. Sexual harassment include what? Only welcome sexually determined behavior directly, a demand or request for sexual favor, any other unwelcoming physical, verbal or non-verbal conduct of sexual nature. You have to choose the correct statement here. Sexual harassment includes what? Sexual harassment includes what? So the correct answer for this question is sexual harassment includes what? Okay, first, D, all of the above said. Uday, okay, first of all, when we are talking about sexual harassment is the harassment which are created by unwelcoming nature, not welcoming nature. If anyone is welcoming or accepting the favor, that is not the sexual harassment. If the welcoming and accepting nature is given, then this is not considered under the sexual harassment. Sexual harassment means any unwelcoming behavior that is either directly or by implication. Need not necessarily that you are directly asking. It is directly or by implication, by word, by behavior, by anything, any unwelcoming behavior. So first is wrong, second is correct, and third is correct. So C is the correct answer. Clear? Done? Good. Next question is what? See, you have to choose the correct statement now. You have to choose the correct statement now. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 created a CCPA, Central Consumer Protection Authority, known as the Central Authority, as a regulatory body in the line of other regulation like the right for site to protect, promote, and enforce the right of the consumer. The headquarters is in Mumbai and regional offices in other places in India. Now choose the correct statement here. Now choose the correct statement here, everyone. Just choose the correct statement here. Everyone, just please answer the question. So the correct answer is, please answer the question, guys. Everyone, please answer the question. So everyone is saying C. Both the statements are correct. Central Consumer Protection Authority. So, first statement is correct. Okay. It is also known as Central Authority. It helps to protect, promote, and enforce the right of the consumers. Correct. Second statement. Headquarter of Central Authority is in Mumbai. Wrong. The headquarter of Central Authority is in New Delhi, guys. So the first statement, only one is correct and second is wrong. So A is the correct answer here. Done? Not C. A is the correct answer here. Okay. This is the little, ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो आपको पकड़नी है स्टेटमेंट्स में. दैट्स व्हाई इस तरीके के स्टेटमेंट के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. छोटी छोटी चीजें पकड़ो कि न्यू दिल्ली है या मुंबई है या फिर क्या लिखा है. दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग विद दीज स्टेटमेंट टाइप क्वेश्चंस. ओके. Next question. Now, a small limited liability partnership means an LLP, the contribution of which doesn't exceed dash and the turnover of which for the immediate preceding financial year doesn't exceed dash. We have four options. Now you have to choose the correct answer here. Now you have to choose the correct answer here. Limited liability partnership. The word LLP, you all know, a partnership where the liabilities of the partners are limited to the value of their contribution in the partnership. That is known as the limited liability partnership. Under LLP, there is a section known as small LLP. So small LLP is LLP where the turnover, or you can say the contribution, doesn't exceed what? It doesn't exceed 25 lakhs, and the turnover of which for the immediate preceding financial year doesn't exceed 40 lakhs. So the correct answer is A. Done? Done? Clear? Yes. Yes, A is the correct answer. Everyone. Good. Good. Next question is what? Which of the following is feature of values? Now you have to choose the correct one. Feature of values. Values is what? You all know that value explain what is good or what is bad, what is right or what is wrong, what is just fair or what is not fair. These are values. Personal values are the sense of right or wrong. Judgment criteria, on the basis of what we judge the other actions in the society. That is known as the values. Now you have to choose the correct feature of the value. So the correct answer is yes. Okay. Vigesh is saying A and okay, busy B, A. Everyone saying is A. Pakka. Everyone saying is A. So the correct answer for this question is everyone. Okay, which of the following feature is feature of the value? First of all, see, value provide the standard of competence and morality. Yes. Value are very large in number. No. Value are relative temporary. They are embedded in the individual. They are not temporary. They don't have the tendency to change. They are not vulnerable in nature, because values, they are embedded on yourself. They provide you a judgmental criteria to judge the actions of the society, that what is correct, what is not correct, what is fair, what is not fair, what is good, what is bad. That is the value. So obviously A is the correct answer. Done. Yes, A is the correct answer. Good going. Next question is what? The golden rules. So we have three golden rules. So you have to select the correct statement here. So we have three golden rules. You have to select correct statement here. Everything you want others to do to you shouldn't do to others. Second, do not do to others that you do wish them to you. Do not do anything to other which, if done to you, can cause harm to you. So the correct answer is, there are three golden rules. There are three golden rules. In Hindi, we are saying na simple. दूसरों के साथ वो करो जो तुम उनके साथ करना चाहो. Everything you want others to do to you should to do to them. Okay, भाई मैं चाहती हूँ कि सामने वाला मुझे ऐसे ट्रीट करे, so I should treat them first. Okay, so this is the golden rule. So first is wrong. Everything you want others to do to you should do to them first. Okay. Second thing, do not do to others that you do wish them to do to you. See, what is this? Do not do to others that others do not wish them to do to you. दूसरों के साथ वैसा मत करो जैसा तुम नहीं चाहते कोई तुम्हारे साथ करे. भाई मैंने किसी को कुछ करा, दूसरों के साथ मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना जैसा वो चाह रहे हैं कि वो मेरे साथ ना करे. भाई मैं नहीं चाहती कि तुम मुझे बुरा बिहेव करो मेरे साथ. So obviously I shouldn't treat you that way. Okay, so I shouldn't treat you that way, the way that I don't think is appropriate for myself. So second statement is also wrong and third statement is correct. So these are the three rules, always remember. Okay, everything you want others to do to you should do to others. Okay, do not do anything to other that you shouldn't want to do to yourself. Third, do not do anything to others which can cause harm or anything to you. Obviously these are the three golden rules in the ethics. So obviously first and second is wrong and third is correct, means only third is the correct answer. Correct? Yes or no? Done or yes? Clear? Okay. Now, next question. Corporate culture is explained as. Now, everyone please answer the question. Corporate culture is explained as what? Corporate culture, set of value, beliefs, goals and norms, ways of looking at problems, maximizing profitability, targeting bigger market share. So the correct answer is corporate culture is explained as what? Corporate culture. Very easy. You can all answer this question. Corporate culture. See, corporate culture is what? Set of value, belief, goals and norms. Obviously, so the correct answer is A. Corporate culture is all the set of values, belief, goals and norms that is in the organization, that a organization is practicing. So obviously A is the correct answer. Done? Good? Clear? Done? So all of you, are you all getting all the questions? Yes or no? Are you all getting the questions which I am teaching to you all? Good, good to go? Everything? Okay, okay. So till now, how many questions you have attempted correctly? So Kiran, Vigesh, and there are certain students which are from who are from 7 a.m. Okay, so tell me how many questions till now you have attempted correctly from this 30 questions. How many questions? At least approximately idea. If more 50, yes, correct. If more than 50% you have attempted correctly, then you are going good. Okay. Now we have to achieve more than 50 marks in the examination right now. Good. So, good, good. More than 50%, every number is very good. Good. Okay. So the main function of the central authority, CCPA, you all know. To protect, promote, and enforce the right of the consumer, to prevent violation of the consumer right under the Act, to prevent unfair trade practice, inquiry, investigation in the violation of customer right, undertake and promote researches in the field of consumer rights. So, what are the main function of CCPA? What are the main function of CCPA? What are the main function of CCPA? Everyone. What are the main function of CCPA? Please answer the question, guys. What are the main function of CCPA? Please answer the question first. To protect, promote, and enforce the right of consumer as a class. Yes, it is the main function. To prevent a violation of consumer right under the Act. Yes. To prevent unfair trade practices. Yes, perfectly correct. Okay. Fourth and fifth are also the function, but these are the add-ons function, or you can say ancillary functions. So these are functions, these are not the main function of CCPA, they are the ancillary functions of the CCPA. Main function is first, second, and third. So the correct answer for this question is A, not all of the above. Everyone saying is D, all of the above. No, not all of the above. A is the correct answer. Okay, because C and D is the function, but they are the add-on function, or you can say ancillary functions. Okay, done. Good. Good. Next question is what? See, person who fails to comply with any direction of the central authority shall punished with an imprisonment for a term which may extend to how many months? Means the maximum amount or maximum jail to a person who cannot compliance with any of the provision of the central authority is what? The term of the imprisonment is what? 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, or 6 months. So the correct answer is yes, size correct. So the correct answer for this question is everyone. Please answer the question. Please answer the question. So the correct answer is C. A person who fails to comply with any direction of the central authority shall be punished with imprisonment with which can be extend for a period of 6 months. So D is the correct answer. 6 months is the correct answer. Good. Next question. Now you have to choose the correct statement here. The bank is a bailee and the customer is a bailer. The bank is a bailer and the customer is bailee. Now you have to choose the correct statement here. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Only 1 is correct. Only 2 is correct, and neither 1 nor 2. So in which case, so in a bank and customer relationship, this is very important question. So banker and customer relationship, who act as a bailee and who act as a bailer? Everyone, who act as a bailee and who act as a bailer? Everyone, please answer the question. Who act as a bailee and who act as a bailer? See, so bailee and bailer, if we are talking about the bailee and bailer, so if I'm a customer and I am handing over my valuable items to the bank for their safety, so I am considered as the bailer, and bank is responsible for that valuable items, for safeguarding that valuable item of the customer. So bank act as a bailee. So bank always act as a bailee and a customer always act as a bailer. Vice versa in this condition is not true. So the correct answer is first statement is correct, means B is the correct answer. Okay, done. Both 1 and 2. Why, Kiran? Why both 1 and 2 are correct? No. Bank doesn't offer the customer with any of their valuable items that, see, you are my customer, see, you have that 1 kg gold of mine, just please safeguard this. No, bank in any of the cases always act as a bailee and customer as a bailer. Vice versa of this situation is not true. Okay, next. No loans related and ad hoc service charges inspection could be levied on the priority sector loan up to rupees what? 25,000, 50, 75 or 80,000. So if priority sector lending is done, so no additional charges and no service charges could be levied on the loan to what amount? 25, 50, 75 or 80,000. So the correct answer for this question is everyone 34. Answer is 34. Answer is, so the correct answer for this question is, so the correct answer is very easy. You can all answer this question immediately. Everyone, please answer this question. So no loan related or add-on service charges could be levied on the loan on the priority sector lending if the loan amount is rupees 25,000. Yes, A is correct. 25,000 is correct. Perfect. So A is the correct answer. Now, next question is what? See, next question is regarding the Recovery on Debt and Bankruptcy Act. So this is important. Recovery of Debt and Bankruptcy Act. You have to choose the correct statement here. There are 4 statements listed. You have to choose the correct statement. Read out these 4 statements. Recovery of Debt due to Bank and Financial Institution Act passed in year 1993 and it was amended in year 2019, including its title. Now the title has been rechanged at Recovery of Debt and Bankruptcy Act. Second, this act is applicable to whole of India, including the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Third, cases where the amount of debt due to bank or financial institution is 50 lakh or more are covered under this act. The state government is empowered to establish tribunal called as Debt Recovery Tribunal to exercise the jurisdiction, power and authority conferred on the DRT. So the correct answer for this question is very easy. Just read out the question. Just read out the question, everyone. You will get the answer. Just read out the question, everyone. Everyone, just please read out the question. Just please read out the question, everyone. Okay. So everyone saying is A. One only is the correct answer. Yes, recovery of debt due to bank and financial institution act, which was in 1993. It was amended in 2019 with its name. Yes, it is correct. Second, this act is applicable to whole of India, including the state of Jammu and Kashmir. So wrong. Actually, it is not applicable in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. So accepting the case of Jammu and Kashmir. Third, cases where the amount of debt due to any bank or financial institution is 50 lakh, no, the value is 20 lakh or more. So 20 lakh or more, the amount that can be addressed under this act. Okay. And fourth again is wrong, because state government don't have the authority. Central government is empowered to establish a tribunal known as the debt recovery tribunal. So obviously one is the correct answer, because second, third and fourth is the wrong answer. Done? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Everyone, just please like and share the video, guys. Good, good. Done? Any doubt in this question? Anyone? Okay, good. Next question is what? See, what is the maximum number of members that are required to open the public and private limited company? Maximum number of members that are required to open a public and private limited company. We have four options. So the correct answer is everyone. So the correct answer is maximum number of members that can open a public and a private limited company. So the correct answer for this question is maximum number required to open a public. So for public it is unlimited, for private it is 200. Yes, A is the correct answer. This is very important. Okay, these type of questions are very scoring for all of you. Why? Because these are just number, you just have to learn. There is no rocket science concept in these type of question. Okay, done. Good. Next question. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Now, you have to choose the correct statement here. Which of the following statement is or are correct? First, land and building is a type of security which is not self-liquidating in nature. That is, since it is held for a long term, it is same. It does not get converted into cash during the economic cycle. Bankers are now very much averse of to accept land and building as a security. Very easy. Very easy. Very easy. See, first, yes, they are not self-liquidating in nature. It is correct. Second, bankers are now very much averse to accept land and building as a security. No. So earlier, they were very much averse of accepting land and building as a security, because why? Because they are not liquid in nature, because they cannot be easily converted into cash. Bank have to follow a lot of rules and procedures to just recover their debt and from the land and building as a collateral. But now, with the introduction of SARFAESI Act, the relaxation has been given to bank, and that's why bank are now accepting easily the land and building. So the correct answer for this question is one only. Okay, done. Good going. Next question is what? Now, advance was given to a borrower against pledge of the stock. The loan defaulted. Bank want to sell the stock. On the scrutiny of the document, it is observed that the borrower has given the authority to bank to sell the stock without notice to the borrower. How shall bank deal with this case? Now we have four options. You have to choose the correct one. Easy. Now you have to choose the correct one. Everyone, please answer the question. Very easy. 39. Please answer the question. 39. Just read it carefully. So advance has been given against the pledge of the stock. So now if it is defaulted and bank want to sell that stock, bank can sell that stock without the intervention of court. Good, but they should give a notice to the borrower in any of the condition. Yes, so it is the rule that is for pledging against the stock, that the borrower should be informed before selling of the stock. Okay, but there is no need for the intervention of the court. So bank can sell the good without the intervention of the court, but after giving notice to the borrower. So B is correct answer. Okay, done. Yes or no? Done. Good, good. Next question is what? See, which of the following describes the money laundering process? Now, which of the following describes the money laundering process? Placement, layering, integration. So, now you have to choose the correct statement here. So, which of the following describes the money laundering process? Money laundering process, everyone. Money laundering process. Yes, so money laundering process, you all know. All of the above is the correct answer. It is placement, it is layering and in placement. First of all, earning from different criminal activity, that is known as what? Money laundering. Second is what? Second is what? Second is placement. Placing this dirty money into the financial system as if they are earned from the valid source. Third is layering. Layering means moving this money to different accounts so as to avoid any type of the क्या कहते हैं, consequences. So moving this to any of the account. Then fourth is integration, placing this money to use certain assets. These are stages of money laundering. Okay, first is placement, then is layering, and the third one is integration. Done. Good. Next question. Demand deposits are those which can be withdrawn. Very easy. Demand deposit, demand deposit. Everyone, please answer the question. Demand deposit. Just please answer the question. Yes, demand deposit are those demands which are payable on demand. So C is the correct answer. Demand deposit are those deposits which are payable on demand. Clear? Very easy. Very easy. Yes or no? Done? Good. Next question. See, now just read the question. Which of the following is used for detecting, analyzing, and responding to security threat? So, if we are detecting, if we are analyzing, and if we are responding to the security threat, which of the following is used? Firewall, IDS, SIEM, or IPS? So, the correct answer for this question is, first, tell me the full form of SIEM. Everyone, first tell me the full form of this SEAM. IDS, IPS, you all know. SEAM. Yes. So, for detecting, for analyzing, and for responding to security threat, which of the following is used? Firewall, IDS, SEAM, or IPS? So, the correct answer is SEAM, security, information, and event management. Yes, security, information, and event management. Right? So the correct answer is C. C is the correct answer. Done. Okay. Next question now. Next question. Which of the following credit transactions are permitted in the saving or current account for NRE account. NRE account, you all know, non-resident external rupee account. Okay, NRE account is what? Non-resident external rupee account. So NRE account can be maintained by non-resident Indians or people of Indian origin. So which of the following credits are permitted in this type of account? We have four options. Remittance to India in Indian currency only, foreign currency bank notes tendered by account holder on a temporary visit to India, interest accruing on the fund held in the account. You have to choose the incorrect statement here. Now you have to choose the incorrect statement here. Very easy. Non-resident external rupee account. Which of the following credit transactions are permitted in it? So, credit transaction, when we are talking about the credit transaction in NRE account, these are permitted in any of the permitted currency. Not necessarily to be in Indian currency only. No, it can be in any of the permitted currency. So first is the incorrect, because first says that it should be in Indian currency only. No, it should be in any of the currency NRE accepted that uh, transaction. Okay, second is correct statement, and third is also correct. Any of the interest on the fund that is held on that account, interest is credited on to the account on a regular basis. Second, foreign currency or bank notes which are tendered by any of the account holder on a temporary visit to India. So these are all the credit transaction which are allowed in the NRE account. So first is wrong. You have to select the incorrect statement. So first is the incorrect statement. Okay. First is the incorrect statement. Done? Yes or no, guys? Done? Good. Next question is what? Which of the following is the objective of conducting WAP to identify vulnerabilities in the network, server, system, infrastructure, or all of the above? Okay, see, which of the following objective is for WAP to identify vulnerabilities in what? WAP is what? VAPT, vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. What is WAP? Vulnerabilities assessment and penetration testing. It is for identifying any type of threats or vulnerabilities in which of the following: network, server, system infrastructure, or all of the above. So the correct answer for this question is everyone. So the correct answer for this question is, please answer the question, everyone. Just please answer the question. I want everyone to answer this question immediately. It's very easy, very easy. Yes, so now everyone is saying D. Yes, Suman, Thrutvik, Vignesh, Sharan, everyone is saying D. Yes, so D is the correct answer. Obviously, D is the correct answer. Yes, so VAP, vulnerabilities assessment and penetration testing, is for identifying any type of vulnerabilities in network, in server, in system infrastructure. So all of the above is the correct answer. Done? Good. Next question. Which of the following aspects is not the requirement of cyber SOC? Which of the following is not a requirement of CyberSOC? CyberSOC is what? Cyber set up and operationalize. Okay, so CyberSOC, which of the following is not required for CyberSOC? We have four options. First, forensic investigation of financial fraud, dashboard and oversight, policy, measurement and enforcement, dynamic behavior analysis. So the correct answer for this question is, which of the following is not the requirement of CyberSOC? What is CyberSOC? Security Operation Centers. Those security operation centers, which of the following is not the requirement of security operational centers? So the correct answer for this question is, everyone, yes, foreign investigation of the financial fraud. Actually, this is not needed. So A is the correct answer. Yes, this is not needed. So A is the correct answer. Done? Good? Good. Okay. Next question. Next, which is correct about the composition of Consumer Dispute Readdressal Commission, which is at a district level? So you all know that Consumer Dispute Readdressal Commission is at three level: center, state, or district level. So there is the composition each and every at each and every level. There is a different composition at central, different at the state and district level. So here's question for the district level. We have three statement. You have to choose the correct statement here. So what is correct about the composition of the Consumer Dispute Readdressal Commission at the district level? President, not less than two and not more than the prescribed number of members. Third, at least one member or the president must be a woman. So the correct answer for this question is, everyone, correct uh, statement about the composition. Correct statement about the composition at the district level. So the correct answer is C. What is correct about the composition of the consumer dispute? So there is one president, not less than two and not more than the prescribed number of members, and at least one or the president must be a woman. So all of the three statement is correct. So C is the correct answer. All of the three statements are correct. Done? Everyone, yes or no? Good, good everyone. Done. So next question is what? See, next question. RBI introduced dash for interbank clearance of check without their physical movement. The checks are paid based on the electronic images. We have four options. Simple. So RBI has introduced which of the following for interbank clearance of the check? Very easy. These are for the interbanks clearing of the check. Interbank clearing of the check. So the correct answer for this question is, everyone, please answer the question. RBI introduced dash for interbank clearance of the check without their physical movement. So the correct answer is B. Yes, CTS, that is known as check truncation system. Very easy. Yes, check truncation system. Okay, yes, so it's the correct answer is CTS, check truncation system. Okay, done? Good, good. Next question. Now, what is GEM portal? Now, what is GEM portal? It is a centralized online trading platform for precious stone. government e-marketplace for the procurement of the goods and service, government portal for emerging technologies, or all of the above. What is GEM portal, everyone? What is GEM portal? Everyone, please answer the question. What is GEM portal? Answer is GEM portal is what? Government e-marketplace. Government e-marketplace. GEM, the full form is government e-marketplace. Now you will all answer this question easily. Now you will all answer this question easily. So it is what? It is an online e-marketplace for procurement of goods and services that is needed by the different government offices. So there are different government offices, departments that needs goods and services. So the online procurement of the common use goods and services, the online marketplace for this is known as GEM, yani government e-marketplace. So the correct answer for this question is B. Yes. Okay. Done? Good. Good. Next question. Now, which of the following are 24/7 payment system? Very easy. 24/7 payment system. Which of the following are 24/7 payment system? Very easy. We have four options: UPI, IMPS, NEFT, RTGS, or all of the above. 24/7 payment services. Which of the following are 24/7 payment services? Sorry. Okay, so the correct answer for this is 24/7 payment system. Which of the following is the 24/7 payment system? Yes, everyone is correct. Yes, UPI, Unified Payment Interface, IMPS, Immediate Payment Service, NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer, RTGS, Real Time Gross Settlement. Yes, all of the above is the correct answer. Okay. Done? Good. Next question is what? See, PB operate in the remote areas, mostly through BCs, business correspondence, ATMs and other network. They need to have at least dash of the physical access point, including a business correspondence in the rural setup for 25%, 30%, 35%, or 15%. So, PBs, so different type of the banks, public banks, they operate in the remote areas using via the help of the business correspondence. Business correspondents are what? They acted as a third arm, you can say, of the organization to just include everyone in the financial system. Business corresponding do their work. So the PPs, the different banks need to have at least how many of the physical access point, including the business correspondence in the physical or rural center. So the correct answer is, so the correct answer is minimum of how much percentage of the access point should be there. Yes, it is 25%, guys. Minimum of 25% of the physical access point should be there for the business correspondence in the rural areas. Okay, done? Good. Okay, so we have completed 50 questions now. More questions are left. First, tell me how many questions? How many questions you have attempted correctly till here? We are moving to the next question, but please tell me how many questions till now you have corrected, you have correctly attempted. Deepraj, BCB, Sharan, Ravinder, Sai, Kiran, Ajit, Dhrutvik, Kiran, Vignesh, everyone. So you are all from the beginning. Okay, I didn't count. Don't worry. So I'm asking more than 50% you have attempted correctly or not. Just answer me in some percentage. More than 50% you are doing right now, because I want to ensure myself that you are all going to score 50 plus. So at least 50% of your answers should be correct in this session. Okay, because tomorrow is the exam, you don't have the time now. You are practicing this for your knowledge. Yes, done, Ajit. Badya. Very good. Done. So next question. So CERSAI, Central Registry of Securitization Asset and Reconstruction Security Interest of India, is authorized by whom? RBI, government, RBI, or none of the above? So the correct answer is CERSAI. CERSAI. Everyone. So there is what? There is a central KYC record and registry. So there is a central KYC record registry, which are entitled to receive all the information. See, the customer which are giving the any of the identity in the KYC format. So for securing all the document of that customer in the electronic form, there is the central KYC registry authorization, a central KYC record registry. To perform the function of central KYC record registry, there is CERSAI, which has been authorized by the government of India. Okay, so CERSAI functions the KYC, the all the documents, for safeguarding the document, for storing it in the electronic format. There is a central KYC record registry, and to perform the function of central KYC record registry, the government of India has authorized CERSAI. The full form is Central Registry of Securitization Asset and Reconstruction Securities Interest of India. ठीक है? Okay. Good, Wahid. Good. Done. Good. Good, everyone. So next question. See, what is the minimum tenure for NRE term deposit? You all know I have clearly mentioned non-resident external rupee account. So for NRE term deposit, what is the minimum tenure that is needed? 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, or 4 year? So the correct answer is minimum tenure. Minimum tenure. Minimum tenure. Yes, so the minimum tenure for the NRE term deposit, non-resident external rupee account, non-resident external rupee account. Yes, the minimum deposit is 1 year. Non-resident external rupee account. Clear? Done? Next question. So next question. Now, just I'm sitting here. Now you have to answer this question. This is regarding numerical. Mr. ABC is a manufacturer of molded plastic household like buckets and mugs. The annual turnover is 80 lakh and it has targeted the growth of 25%. The working capital requirement and the bank finance for it is. You have to answer this question correctly. Very easy. Very easy. Please answer, everyone. Please answer, everyone. Okay, now again, very easy, very easy. See, there is the annual turnover. Annual turnover is 80 lakh. Okay, and there is a target growth of 25%. So the projected annual turnover, first of all, you have to the projected annual turnover. So projected annual turnover is 80 lakhs, whatever the turnover in the last year, plus the growth amount means 25% of 80 lakh. So 25% of 80 lakh, you all know that this amount needs 100 lakh. Okay, now the working capital requirement, always remember the working capital requirement is always 25% of the means 25 lakh. Now the bank finance for the working capital is what? 20% of the PAT. This is always constant. 20% of the PAT, that is 20 lakh. And remember, what the borrower need to carry with themselves, or they need to contribute it with themselves, is 5% of the, that is 5 lakh. So working capital requirement is 25 lakh. Bank will finance 20 lakh, and the borrower need to have 5 lakh that is contributed with themselves. So the correct answer for this question is A. Done? Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Clear? Good. Now next question. See. Next question is what? Mr. PQR is a manufacturer of Troy. The projected annual turnover is 120 lakh. Now you have to find working capital required, banking finance, and contribution by borrower. Easy. Now you have to answer this question as well. Now you have to answer this question as well. Now you have to answer this question as well. Very easy. Now you have to answer. I don't give any option here, though there is no option here. You have to just calculate and answer this question. You have to just calculate and answer this question. I am sitting here. You just have to calculate what is the working capital required, what is the bank finance for it, and what is the contribution. So you have to answer this, everyone. Sai has said 30 lakhs. Okay. Sai Kumar has said 30, 24, and 6 lakh. And everyone else, just please answer the question, everyone else. And please like and share the video, guys. Guys, everyone, just please like and share the video. Very easy. Sorry. So I'm sitting here. Just please answer the question correctly, everyone. Yes, Suman is correct. Sai is correct. Sai, everyone is correct. Yes. 30, 24, and 6. Busy bee, not 60, 6, 6. 30, 24, and 6. Okay. So first of all, what is the projected annual turnover? Projected annual turnover PAT is 120 lakh. Okay. Now, working capital required. What is the working capital required here? So, working capital required is 25% of PAT. So, 25% of 120, that is what? 25% of 120, that is 30. Next, bank finance is 20% of 120, that is 24 lakhs. Yes. And what is the contribution by themselves? It is 5% of 120, that is 6 lakhs. So 24, 30, and 6 lakh is the correct answer. Perfect. Okay. So now again I am giving a question. Please answer this as well. Okay. Just please answer this question. Again, so there is a question. Again, there is a question. There is question that PQR enjoys working capital facilities with Bank A. It has approached the bank for letter of credit limit for purchase of raw material. So now, projected value of the raw material is 3,600 lakh. Projected value of raw material is 2,400 lakh. Time taken 10 days, time taken for shipment 20 days, credit period agreed is 30 days. Now the credit of letter of credit would be what? Okay, so calculate this. Okay, calculate these. Meanwhile, I will have a cup of tea. Okay, so please excuse me for 5 minutes. Please excuse me for 5 minutes. 5 minutes break. Everyone, just please excuse me for 5 minutes. There is a 5 minute break for everyone. Uh, तब तक just solve this question. Okay, have a 5 minute break, have your cup of chai or tea or anything you want. Okay, we will be right back after 5 minutes. Okay, everyone. Good. Okay. Okay, now, everyone, audio and video are clear? Yes or no? Okay, come back, everyone. Sorry. So, audio and video are clear? Yes or no? Just please confirm once that audio and video are clear. So, let's start with this question. Okay, now, see, the working capital facility, there, the question asks that the letter of credit limit for this. Okay, so now letter of credit limit will be for what? First, you have to calculate the cycle, the time period. So there is a time period taken. So see, there is a time required for one cycle of the operation. The time required for the one cycle of the operation is what? It's 10 plus 20 plus 30, that is 60 days. Means the 10 days which are time taken for advising the letter of credit, the time taken for shipment, and the credit period upon. So you have to add on, first of all the time taken for this period, for the letter of credit, for sanctioning of the letter of credit from the early stage till the end. Okay, so this is 30 plus 20 plus 10 is 60. Now you have to calculate accordingly that in how many days it will be recovered. Means we have to think that there is number of cycle. How many number of cycle in a year? So it should be 360 divided by 60, that is 6. Now the letter of credit is always what? The projected value of the raw material. So the projected value of the raw material given is 2400 lakh. So the value of credit is 2400 lakh divided by 6, that is 400 lakh. So 400 lakh here is the value of credit. Clear? Everyone, this is easy. Letter of credit is easy. Done? Okay. Now, can we move to the next question, please? Done? Good. Now, next question. Okay. Choose the correct statement. Now, you have to choose the correct statement here regarding the essential ingredients of the partnership firm. So, the essential ingredients of the partnership firm. First, there must be an association of two or more persons. Two partners can enter into a partnership firm. There must be sharing of profit and loss of the business, and sharing only profit but not loss is not allowed at all. Third, there must be a business, that is trade, occupation and profession, that can be legal or illegal. So now you have to choose the correct statement regarding the partnership firm here. You have to choose the correct statement here. Okay, so the correct answer is, you have to choose the correct statement here regarding the partnership firm. You have to choose the correct statement here. Everyone, please answer the question. You have to choose the correct statement here. Okay, see. So first, there must be an association of two or more person. That is correct. But the second thing is, two partnership can enter into a partnership? No. Two partnerships cannot enter into a partnership. See, partners of their partnership can form a separate partnership entity. But if there is two partnership firm, they cannot enter into a partnership. Okay, so it doesn't include the partnership firm. Always remember this. Second, there must be profit and loss, sharing of profit and loss, and in some cases the sharing of only profit is also allowed. So if the partners of the partnership firms agrees that okay, we are sharing, this person is getting only the percentage of the profit, not the loss, this is depends upon the understanding of the partners or the agreement, so this is allowed. So if we say that sharing of only profit is not allowed at all, so this is wrong. It is allowed depending upon the understanding of the partner. And third is, there must be business, that is trade, occupation and profession, that can be legal or illegal. So illegal, obviously you know that illegal occupation does not enter into a partnership firm. So none of the statement is correct. Done. It should be legal only. It should be legal only. Okay, done? Yes or no, everyone? Clear? Okay, so next question is what? See, next question. If the loan is convenient and not observed by the borrower, it is called as dash. If the loan convenient is not are not offered by the borrower, then it is called as a violation, a breach, a event of default, or a non-compliance. So the correct answer is, convenient means a promise to pay. So if a loan is promised to pay, which is promised to pay, are not observed by the borrower, then it is called as what? Then it is called as what? Everyone, please answer the question. Then it is called as what? Vigesh is saying A. It is a violation. See, if I am a borrower and a bank convenient or promise to pay a certain amount as a loan to me, and if I doesn't accept that loan, or if the borrower is not observed or not observed that loan, so this is known as the event of default. So obviously C is the correct answer. It is not a violation, it is not a breach, it is actually an event of default. So the correct answer for this is C. Next question. Okay, which of the following statement is correct? Now you have to choose the correct statement here. Which of the following statement is correct? First, unsecured loans are backed by collateral, which means that if you don't make payment, your lender can seize the asset. Second, secured loan don't require collateral but may charge a high interest rate and have a tight credit requirement because of the added risk to the lender. So you have to choose the correct one. Secured and unsecured loan. Secured and unsecured loan. So the correct answer is, so now everyone is saying Ajit, BCP, everyone is saying D is the correct answer. See, what are secured and what are unsecured loan? This is the easiest topic of PPB. Secured loan are always backed up by collateral, and unsecured loan are those loans which are not backed up by the collateral. And that's why unsecured loan attract a higher rate of interest as compared to the secured loan. Whenever we are taking a education loan or something, education loan or these type of loan, these are termed as unsecured loans in certain circumstances, because they are not backed by collateral, as well as they attract the high interest rate because the risks are involved in these type of loan, means in the unsecured loan. So obviously first is wrong and second is wrong, because first is the statement of the secured loan and the second one is the statement for the unsecured loan. So the correct answer is neither one nor two. Okay, done? Yes. Good. Next question. Okay. The central government has set central registry for the registration of which of the following transaction? Securitization of financial asset, reconstruction of the financial asset, creation of securities interest under the SARFAESI Act, dematerialization of the financial asset. So you have to answer the question correctly. So the function of the central registry, the function of the central registry, everyone. The function of the central registry. Everyone, just please like and share the video, guys. The function of the central registry. See, the central government has set a central registry for which of the following purposes? First of all, securitization of the financial asset. Yes, securitization means pooling together different type of financial asset so that they can start earning the interest. So pooling together the financial asset, that is known as securitization. Reconstruction of the financial asset, yes. Creation securities under the securities interest under the SARFAESI Act, yes. Next, dematerialization of the financial asset, no. Because see, dematerialization is what? Dematerialization means storing the financial securities in the electronic form, and these are done in the demat account. So the central registry is not responsible for dematerialization of the securities financial asset. First, second, and third is the correct answer, means A is the correct answer. Okay, done. Okay, good. Next question is what? See, which of the following is not true about the IMPS, immediate payment service? Which of the following is not true about the immediate payment services? First, IMPS allows electronic fund transfer only through mobile phone. The facilities provided by NPCI. IMPS allows instant money transfer. IMPS allows transferring of money to an account with another bank. IMPS transaction can be done through bank branch. So the correct answer for this question is very easy. Which of the following is not true regarding the immediate payment service? Which of the following is not true regarding the immediate payment service? You can all answer this question correctly, everyone. Neetu said C or E? Not correct. See, this is which of the following cannot be correct about IMPS. IMPS transaction can be done through bank branch. Yes, it is correct. It allows money from one account in another bank. Yes. Instant money transfer. Yes. Provided by National Payment Corporation of India. Yes. It can be done only through mobile phone. Wrong. So incorrect is A, not E. Incorrect is A, not E. Done? Good. Next question. The effectiveness of securities can be broadly classified into economic, legal, social, or both A and B. So the correct answer is, so effectiveness of securities. So effectiveness of securities. See, whatever the securities is kept for the loan, effectiveness of that securities can be classified under which of the following? Economic, legal, social, or both A and B. So the correct answer for this question is see, the security, while seeing the security, how effective is the security is, first of all, a banker should see the economic aspect. Economic aspects means, see, whether this is economically feasible or not, this is easily marketable or not, the valuation of this should be stable, it should not fluctuate widely. So these are the economic aspects that can be seen in a security, that can be seen by a banker in a security. Economic aspect means valuation or marketability, or the value should be stable or not. This second is the legal. Legal means the legal enforceability of the securities, means if in any case of the default payment, the securities should be enforceable. The security should be sold and then recovered into cash. So obviously, economic and legal aspects of both A and B is the correct answer. Okay, done. Next, now which of the following statement is incorrect regarding the promise and proposal? See, very easy question but tough. You have to choose the incorrect statement here, everyone. You have to choose the incorrect statement here. Incorrect. When one person signifies to another person his willingness to do or not to do something with a view to obtaining the consent of the other person, he said to make a promise. A promise become a proposal when it is accepted. So which of the following is correct? Very easy. Use your common sense, everyone. Use your common sense. Use your common sense, everyone. Very easy. This is a very easy question. Just please like and share the video. Guys, just please like and share the video, everyone. Which of the following is incorrect regarding the promise and proposal? Incorrect regarding the promise and proposal. Ram Dayal is saying D, neither one nor two. Incorrect. You have to answer the incorrect question. 62. Please answer the 62 question. सबको एक भी सिंगल आंसर नहीं दिख रहा मुझे यहाँ पर, एक भी सिंगल आंसर. अरे everyone just please answer the question at least. Just try to answer the question. It's so very easy. See. When one person signifies to another person his willingness to do or not to do something with a view to obtaining the consent, he is said to make a promise. No, he is said to make a proposal, guys. What is a proposal? For example, I am proposing to someone for marriage for obtaining the consent of the other party. For example, I am saying that, see, I want to marry you. See, I want to marry you. Okay. So, I am making a statement to other person with the view to obtain the consent of the other party. Okay. So, it is said to make a proposal, means I am making a proposal to another person. Now, if he accept it, he said, yes, I will marry you, then he made a promise. So promise is when the proposal is accepted. So both the statement is wrong. First is proposal, and a proposal become a promise when it is accepted. So both the statement are incorrect. Both the statement are wrong. Okay. Done or not? So both the statement are wrong. Done? Yes or no, guys? Good? Okay, good. Next question, see. Which of the following is or are correct? Now you have to choose the correct statement here. Contract means agreement that is enforceable by law. All agreements are contract if they are made by the free consent of the parties, competent to contract for a lawful consideration and with a lawful object. Third, all agreements are contract, but all contract are not necessarily to be an agreement. So you have to choose the correct statement here. So you have to choose the correct statement here. See, very easy. You have to choose the correct statement here. Now, what is the correct statement? Very easy. See, first of all, just make a Venn diagram for this. All contract means all agreement. This is contract plus enforceability. Okay. All contract means agreement plus enforceability. First is correct. Second, all agreements are contract. See, all agreements are contract conditioned applied if they are made by the free consent of the party with a lawful agreement or lawful consideration. So second is correct. Third, all agreements are contract, but all contract are not necessarily to be an agreement. See here. all agreements are contract. See, second statement says that all agreement are contract if, means there is a condition, means all contract are not necessarily to be an agreement. See, all agreement are not necessarily to be a contract, means for an agreement to be a contract, enforceability is must. So all agreement, the statement is all agreement are not contract, because here the conditions applied. Contract, for agreement to be a contract, enforceability is must. But all contract have the agreement, means all contract are agreement. So this is the correct statement, because see, contract is this, all contract contains agreement. But all agreement doesn't contain contract, because for agreement to be a contract, enforceability is must. So third is wrong. So obviously first and second C is the correct answer. But yes or no? Any doubt? Any doubt? Yes or no? Any doubt? Done? No? Good. Next question. See. An agreement without consideration is legal, wired both A and B or neither A nor B. An agreement without consideration is considered as what? An agreement without consideration is considered as what? An agreement without consideration is considered as what? See, for example, if I proposes B that I am selling a car for rupees 1 lakh to you. Okay. So, for example, A is proposing to B that A will sell his car B for rupees 1 lakh for B, which B agrees to pay rupees 1 lakh in favor of this car. Okay, now A is selling car with with the consideration that B is giving the money. And B is giving money to A with the consideration that A is giving his car to B. So now this is known as consideration. Consideration is must for an agreement. If consideration is not there, so agreement is considered to be as void. Void means of no legal value. Okay, so B is the correct answer. Done? Yes or no? Next question is what? See. Which account are essential for foreign nationals or entities with business relationship with individuals entities in India? So which account are essential for any of the foreign national or entities that are having the business relationship with individual or entities in India? That is non-residence ordinary account, any saving current account with the bank, SNRR, special non-resident rupee account, or none of the above. Very easy. Very easy. Please answer the question, everyone. Very easy. Special non-resident rupee account. So SNRR account is compulsory for any of the foreign national or foreign entity if they are having a trade relationship with India or with Indian entity. So they need to have an SNRR account, that is special non-resident rupee account. So the correct answer for this question is C. Done. Sai is correct, Sharan is correct, Kiran is correct. Done? Yes, done. Next question is what? See, fund in dash cannot be freely repartited outside India. Repartited means taken back or sent back to his own country. So repartited, these word can be seen in the newspaper, in the daily newspaper. Repartite means to send back to their own country. So fund in dash cannot be freely repartited outside India. Non-resident external rupee account, non-resident ordinary account, FCNRB account means foreign currency non-resident account, or SNRR account, special non-resident rupee account. So the correct answer for this question is yes, C, D is the correct answer. That is SNRR account, special non-resident rupee account. So, because this account is necessary for any of the foreign national who are having the business relationship with India. So, this is a compulsory account. So, the funds in this account cannot be repatriated freely back to the country, to their own country. So, SNRR account is the correct answer. Clear? Okay, next question. 67. Now, consider the following statement about mortgage and hypothecation. So, there is the statement regarding the mortgage and hypothecation. See, hypothecation relates to the immovable property, whereas mortgage relates to the movable property. In hypothecation, there is a transfer of interest in the property to the creditor, but in mortgage, there is only obligation to repay money and no transfer of interest. So you have to choose the correct statement here. So you have to choose the correct statement. Sai and Kiran both are saying D, and everyone else. So you all know about this. What is mortgage? Mortgage, you all know now. Mortgage means it is an agreement between you and lender that allows the lender to take the right of your property if you doesn't repay your amount. So, if it is related to movable property, then it is known as hypothecation. So, hypothecation actually is for movable property. Movable property like car. For example, I have taken a car loan from the bank. So now bank is the lender. So hypothecation means bank are free take my car if I doesn't repay the loan amount. That is known as hypothecation. Hypothecation relates to all the movable property, whereas mortgage relate to immovable properties. Immovable properties, just as for example, land. Shouldn't be an agricultural land. Land, for example, bank are free to take my land if I doesn't pay my loan or my amount which are due on the bank. Okay. Second thing is in actually mortgage means in case of immovable property, there is a transfer of interest in the property to the creditor. But in case of a movable means hypothecation, there is only the obligation to repay the money and no transfer of interest. So both the statements are wrong. Clear? Yes or no? So both the statements are wrong. Clear or not? Yes or no? Everyone, please answer the question. Yes or no? So see, first is wrong because see, hypothecation relates to movable property, whereas mortgage relates to immovable property. Immovable like land, building, and movable like stock, vehicles. Okay, now in actually mortgage, there is a transfer of interest in the property, but in hypothecation, there is only application to repay the money, not interest. So both the statements are incorrect. Both the statements are wrong. Done? Okay, good. Next question. See, now again, you have to choose the correct statement here. Pledge means bailment of good for the purpose of providing security for the payment of debt or performance of the promise. The person whose good are bailed is called as the pawner, and the person who takes the good as a security is called as the pawnee. Which of the following is the correct statement? Which of the following is the correct statement? Everyone, please answer the question, everyone. Just please answer the question. Very easy. You can all answer this question. You can all answer this question. Pledge and what? It is regarding the pledge. So first, pledge means bailment of good for the purpose of providing security. Yes, it is for the purpose of providing the security. Means if in the case of the default, the stocks will go for the whatever the security you have provided, the goods you have provided can be sold in the market without the notification, without the intervention of the court. That is pledge. Okay, next, the person whose good are bailed is called as the pawner, and the whom the good is kept or is given as a security is called as the pawnee. Yes, so the correct answer is both one and. Always remember this, the relationship between the spawner pawnee, bailer bailee, debtor creditor, okay, agent principal, these are very important, very important for all of you, because these are those questions which can be asked. Okay, okay, next question. Next, now again choose the correct statement. Okay, just I'm sitting here. Okay, now you have to choose the correct statement here. Again, everyone choose the correct statement. First, the major distinction between a pledge and a lien is that in lien there is power of sale or disposition of goods, whether in whereas in the case of pledge there is no power to sell on the default. Okay, next, hypothecation is created for immovable. In the case of hypothecation, the asset remain in the possession of the borrower. In the event of the default, the borrower is unable to make the due payment, the lender first take the action to possess the said asset and then it can be sold off. Third, in the case of pledge, the lender will have the legal possession of the pledged asset and the lender has the right to sell the asset in the event that the borrower is unable to meet his obligation. So the correct answer for this question is, everyone, this is very important. Again, just read the question carefully and answer the following question. Just read the question carefully and answer the following question, everyone. You can all answer this question. I know it's easy. You can all answer this question. Okay, everyone. First, the major distinction between a pledge and a lien is that in a lien, there is a power of sale or disposition of good. Yes, the banker has the right to lien. You all know the banker has the right to lien, means the power to sell or dispose of good in the case of the default. Whereas in the case of pledge, there is no power to sell on default. First is correct statement. Nothing is wrong in the first statement. Second, now you all know that hypothecation relates to the movable property. Okay. So mortgage relates to the immovable while hypothecation relates to the movable property like vehicle or stocks or debtors and everything. So in hypothecation, always remember that the possession is with the borrower. This you have to remember, everyone. In hypothecation, always remember that the possession is with the borrower. For example, I have taken a car loan from the bank. Okay, now my car has been given as a hypothecation to the bank. Now, possession is with me. Okay, and if I am not able to pay the pay back the loan, the bank first take my car, first take the possession of my car, and then it is sold off in the market to recover the losses. So in hypothecation, always remember the borrower has the possession of the asset. Third state, in case of the pledge, always remember the lender, whoever is giving the loan, has the legal possession of the asset, and the lender has the right to sell the asset in the case of the default. Yes, the correct answer is what? The correct answer is first and third is the correct statement, and second is the wrong statement, because it is not related to immovable, it is related to movable properties. Okay, first is correct, third is correct. So only first and third is the correct answer. Remember that in pledge, the possession is with the, please answer the question. Under the pledge, the possession is with the what? With the lender. But under the hypothecation, the possession is with the borrower. This you have to remember. Okay, done? Yes or no? Hello? Okay, done? Good. Next question. Now, on which of the following securities charge that can be created by the way of mortgage? Very easy. So, on which of the following securities charge can be created by the way of mortgage? First, stock, land building, debtors, vehicles, insurance policy. Very easy. So, the correct answer is third point. Please explain. The third point is what? Simple. Debtor. Whatever the debt part is due. Simple. Okay. So always remember, stock is hypothecation because it is what? Movable. Debtor is movable. Whatever the part, debt part is due. Okay. Whatever the debt part is due, it can be sold off in the case of default. Okay. Third, vehicle, movable. Insurance policy, movable. This is immovable. That's why mortgage is land and building. Okay, done. Sharan, 69th, third part. See, in case of pledge, the lender, see, the legal possession of the pledged asset is with the borrower, sorry, with the lender. For example, me and bank, if I have pledged something in favor of the loan, for example, I have pledged a goods in favor of the loan. So the goods remain with the bank. Possession is with the bank, the possession is with the lender. Now, if in the case of default, the bank doesn't have to take the possession because they already have the goods, they can sold it in the market and recover the loss from here. Okay, that is known as the pledge. Okay, next, choose the correct statement. Now you have to choose the correct statement. Again, a local area network is defined as a large-scale computer network spread over a span of sizable geographical area. Generally, the transmission speed and capacity are limited and the data transfer rate are very low in LAN as compared to WAN. So the correct answer is very easy. Very easy. So the correct answer for this is, everyone please answer the question. Everyone please answer the question, guys. Everyone, please answer the question. Local area network. First of all, a local area network is defined as a large scale computer network. See, it is not a definition of LAN, it is a definition of WAN. Wide area network is defined as a large scale computer network spread over a span of sizable geographical area, normally utilizing the telecommunication network. Second, generally the transmission speed and capacity are limited and the data transfer rate are very low in WAN, wide area network as compared to LAN. Okay, so LAN has the high speed, WAN has the low speed because it covered a wider area, say a geographical area, it covered a local area, for example, like building. So both the statements are wrong, neither one nor two is the correct answer. Okay, done? Done? Yes or no? Good. Next question. What? When a separate dedicated data lines are used between two and more computers, such a network is called as. When a separate dedicated data lines are used between two or more computers, such network is called as leased line and network, dial-up, satellite link, or microwave link. So the correct answer is, so dial-up network are the ordinary telephone lines. So when a separate dedicated line are used, data line are used between two or more computers, such network are called as leased line network. Okay, no, these are the normal telephonic lines. Normal जो telephone lines होती है ना, that is line up network. Okay, done. Next question. See, for uninterrupted power supply used in branch computerization, the following device is used as dash. So when there is an uninterrupted power supply in the branch, so the branch use what? Online UPS, offline converter, generator, or all of the above. For uninterrupted bank computerization or branch computerization, what is used? Yes. So if a bank want to ensure that the uninterrupted power supply in the bank computerization, which of the following devices has been used? So online UPS has been used. So the correct answer is A. Yes. Good. Next question. See, when a loan become an NPA? So easy question. Just please answer this question immediately, everyone. When should a loan become non-performing asset? You can all answer this question. Loan become an NPA. When a loan become an NPA? When a loan become an NPA? So non-performing asset, you all know now. Non-performing asset means any amount that is due, that is overdue for a period of more than 90 days. Okay, then it is known as the non-performing asset. So interest or loan installment overdue for more than 90 days, perfectly correct. Account which is overdue and overdraft, yes. Bill remains, that is overdue, yes. So all of the above is the correct statement. In all the three conditions, there is what? There is non-performing asset. In all of the following condition, there is a non-performing asset. Okay, next question. So a substandard asset is one where the NPA for a period less than or equal to what? 12 months, 6 months, 90 days, or 180 days. So there is a non-performing asset category. You all know na the categories of non-performing asset. So there are three categories. What are the three categories? Substandard non-performing asset. There is doubtful asset, non-performing asset, and there is loss asset. So these are the three stages of NPA. If non-performing asset is the asset that is overdue for 90 days. Okay. Now, What is substandard non-performing asset? That still remains overdue for a period of less than or equal to what? 12 months. Okay. Doubtful, it is overdue for more than 12 months. And loss, now the bank knows that they will not able to recover that loan. There is some fraud or something happens. Now the bank started the process to sell off the what collateral to recover their non-performing asset. That is the stage of loss asset. So the correct answer for this is done. Yes or no? Everyone, please everyone just comment and like and share the video, guys. At least everyone who is watching the session, just please like and share the video. Good. Next question is what? Provision required on an 8-month-old substandard asset of willful defaulter is dash percentage. So, if there is a old 8-month-old substandard is 12 month or less, so there is a provision. What are the provision? Which percentage of the provision is required on an 8-month-old substandard willful defaulter? In the case of willful defaulter, 10, 25, 15 or 20%. 20%. So the correct answer is, provision means the amount that are kept for balancing the non-performing asset. So there is a provisioning done for non-performing asset, means bank kept a certain amount side in the case of any NPA arises. So in every condition, provisioning is done cover up the loss that is created from NPA. So if there is 8-month-old substandard asset, substandard NPA, the provisioning that is done by bank is always 25%. So B is the correct answer. Okay, done? Yes? Okay, next question. See, SEBI is for, easy question. SEBI is for, SEBI, the full form is, as you all know, SEBI. Everyone, please answer the question. SEBI is for Small Industrial Development Bank of India. SEBI is for, yes, micro, small and medium enterprises. SEBI is for what? MSME. SEBI, the headquarter of SEBI is in? The headquarter of SEBI is in? Everyone, please answer the question. The headquarter of the SEBI is in? The headquarter of the SEBI is in Lucknow. Okay, Small Industrial Development Bank of India. It is especially for MSME. Next, MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises are classified on the basis of what? Investment size, on the basis of net profit, number of person employed, or all of the above. So the correct answer is, please, MSME are classified on the basis of what? Investment size, obviously. So MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises are classified on the basis of what? They are classified on the basis of investment size. So A is the correct answer. Perfect. Next question. Again, you have to choose the correct statement here. Just read it carefully. You have to choose the correct statement. You have to choose the correct statement here. First, micro and small enterprises can apply loan collateral free up to 4 crore from Ministry of MSME and SEBI. Government of India started the Startup India initiative with the tagline Startup India, Stand Up India. So the correct answer is, everyone, Kiran, Vignesh, everyone, please answer the question. Okay, see. Now, yes, Government of India has started the Startup India initiative in January 2016 with a tagline Startup India and Stand Up India. It is perfectly correct. Okay. First statement says that individual, micro and small medium enterprises can apply for a collateral free loan up to 4 crore. No. So, micro and small enterprises can apply for a collateral free loan which is up to 1 crore from MSME, either from the MSME or from the SEBI. But the upper limit is 1 crore. Always remember this. The upper limit is 1 crore. Okay. So D is the correct statement here. So second is the correct statement here. Means second only is the correct answer and first is wrong. It is not 4 crore. It is 1 crore. Okay, done. Done. Okay. Next question. As per the new definition of micro, small, medium enterprises, investment in plant and machinery and equipment doesn't exceed what for micro enterprise? Investment in plant and machinery doesn't exceed what in the case of micro enterprises? In the case of micro enterprises, investment in plant and machinery doesn't exceed what in the case of micro enterprises? Kiran is saying 1 crore. Yes. So the correct answer is yes, 1 crore is the correct answer. Very easy. Okay. Next question. See, within how many days from the date of submission of complete paper by a borrower on a application loan of 25,000 is to be processed as per the guidelines in force? Means if you have applied for a loan of rupees 25,000 and if you have submitted all the papers successfully to the bank, then within how many days the loan is to be processed? 4 business days, 8 business days, 15 or 30 business days? Everyone, please answer the question. Within how many days? So the correct answer for this is yes. So within how many days? Within 4 business days. If you have applied for a loan of rupees 25,000, then it should be processed within 4 business days if all papers has been successfully submitted by the borrower. Okay. So the correct answer for this question is A. Done. Good. Next question is what? See, which of the following statement is true about the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? So, which of the following statement is correct regarding the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? The scheme provides a life insurance cover of rupees 30,000 of the account holder with RuPay debit card. The scheme provides for an accidental insurance of rupees 1 lakh to account opened after 28/8/2018 available with the RuPay card. So the correct answer is okay. So the correct answer is Neetu said A. Kiran is saying A. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana scheme. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana scheme. So Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana scheme, the scheme provides for a life insurance cover of 30,000 for the account holder with the RuPay debit card. It is correct. Second, the scheme provides for an accidental insurance of 1 lakh to the account opened after 28/8/2018. No, it is 2 lakh for all the accounts which are opened after 28/8/2018 and before this date. If the account is opened before this date, then the accidental insurance cover is 1 lakh. Okay, so there are two things. Before this date, the cover is 1 lakh and after is 2 lakh. So the correct answer is only one is the correct answer. Okay, done? Yes or no? Good. Next question. See, Dash was replaced by the National Urban Livelihood Mission (NULM) and renamed as Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Urban Livelihood Mission in Feb 2016. So the correct answer for this is very easy. Very easy. Please answer the question, everyone. Which scheme was replaced by the National Urban Livelihood Mission and then renamed as Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Urban Livelihood Mission? So the correct answer is, everyone, just please answer the question. Okay. Yes, Neetu said correct. And 83. Yes, 83. Busy Bee said D. Yes, Kiran is also correct. Yes. So the correct answer is Swarna Jayanti Gram Sarvozgar Yojana. Sarvozgar Yojana. So Swarna Jayanti Gram Sarvozgar Yojana was replaced by NULM and then it was renamed as DNULM, Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana. So the correct answer for this question is D. Good. Next question. See, the proportion of different subgroups of beneficiaries under this scheme. Day NULM. Women beneficiaries should not be less than 50%. SC and ST at least as same as the proportion in the city and town population. Differentially abled beneficiaries 15% with the priority to women. At least 40% of the physical and financial target earmarked for minority communities. So the correct answer for this question is. So the correct answer for this question is, everyone, answer the question. So the correct answer for this question is, everyone, please answer the question. So under this scheme, what are the beneficiaries group proportion under this scheme? So first of all, if there is a woman beneficiary, the woman beneficiary under day NULM scheme shouldn't be less than 30%. First is wrong. SC and ST same as the population within the city? Yes. Differentially abled beneficiaries 50%, 5% with priorities to women. Fourth, at least 40% nahi, at least 15% of the physical and financial target. Okay, so only two is the correct. C is the correct statement. Okay, yes, yes or no? Done? Good. Next scheme, next question. Consider the following statement about the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. First, the scheme is available to a age group of 18 to 70 years with a bank account who give their consent to join and enable auto debit on before 31st May for the coverage, okay, on an annual renewal basis. Second, risk coverage under the section or under the scheme is 5 lakh for accidental death and full disability and 3 lakh for partial disability. 2000 premium per annum is to be deducted. So the correct answer for this is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, everyone. So Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana first is correct. Risk coverage of 2 lakh for accidental death and full disability and 1 lakh for partial disability. Wrong. Premium of 2000 rupee? No. Premium of 20 rupees. So the correct answer is 1 only is the correct answer. Okay. Done? Yes or no? Good. Good. Next question. See. Which of the following maintenance is not required or not compulsory for self-help group? Maintenance of which of the following books is not compulsory for self-help group? Minute, saving and loan register, visitor book or members passbook. Very easy. Self-help group need not to maintain which of the following? Need not to maintain which of the following? Okay, see. So self-help group, maintenance of which of the following group is not compulsory for the self-help group? It is actually visitor book. So these are the book with minutes and saving and members passbook. These are compulsory, but visitor books are not compulsory for the self-help group. Okay, good. Next question. Okay, choose the correct statement. Now you have to choose the correct statement. First, tree topology has a root node and intermediate nodes only. Second, root node is the head node of this structure and the immediate intermediate node are the last node. So tree topology, the question is regarding the tree topology. You have to select the correct one. Select the correct statement. No, first statement. Tree topology has a root node and intermediate nodes only. So wrong. Tree topology has a root node, intermediate node and leaf node. There is a leaf node also. That's why it is known as tree topology. First is wrong. Second, root node is the head node of the structure. Yes. The intermediate node are the last node. No. The leaf node is the last node of the tree topology, and it does not have any child nodes. Okay. So the correct answer is 2 only. Done. Good. Next question is what? See, what are the weaker section category consideration for priority sector lending? Artisans, village and cottage industry where individual credit limit doesn't exceed 50,000. Self-help groups, distressed farmer indebted to non-institutional lender, individual women beneficiaries up to 2 lakh per borrower, and scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. Weaker section category for the what? Weaker section category for the priority sector loan. So the correct answer is, which of the following is the correct answer? So the correct answer is, which of the following is the correct answer? Please answer the question, everyone. Okay, see. First statement, artisans, village and cottage industry where the individual credit limit doesn't exceed 50,000. So the limit is not 50,000, guys. For the one priority sector lending, the artisan and village and cottage industry, the credit limit shouldn't exceed 1 lakh. Okay, self-help groups. So first is wrong because first is not 50,000, 1 lakh. Second is correct. Distress farmer, correct. Individual women beneficiaries up to 2 lakh per borrower, wrong. It is actually 1 lakh per borrower. Okay. And schedule caste, schedule tribe. So, which is correct? Second, third, and fifth. Second, third, and fifth. C is the correct answer. Okay. Done. Good. Next question. See, no loan. This is a repeated question. 25,000 is the correct answer. Okay, repeated question. Okay, next question. The consequences of error in computerized system are more serious than in manual system because. So now you have to check the correct answer. Why the errors in the computerized system are more serious than in the manual system? Computer process large amount of data. Error in the computer system are generated at high speed and cost to correct is may be high. User of the computer system perceive that the computer output to be always correct. All of the above or both A and C. Very easy. See why the errors in the computer is more is serious thing than the manual error? Please answer the question. Please answer the question, everyone. See, yes, because see, the computer process large information at the time. Yes, and the error in this may cost you high, obviously. And the third is, if you are doing anything with computer, you perceive it to be correct, and that's why this is more serious obligation as compared to the manual error system. So the correct answer for this is D. All of the above is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. Next question. See, now last 10 question. Education loan granted to individual for education purpose up to rupees dash for studying in India can be classified as a priority sector. What is the limit for the education loan that is for within India? It is considered to be a priority loan. So the correct answer is, everyone. Simple. Yes. So, uh, education loan that is granted for any individual that is studying in India is up to 2 million as is considered 20 lakh. 2 million is considered as the priority sector loan. So the correct answer for this question is D. Done? Okay, next question. Under Kisan Credit Scheme, a short-term credit support is given to the farmer for which of the following? So, Kisan Credit Scheme, for which of the following purpose the short-term credit support has been given? Working capital for maintenance of farm asset, purchase of combined tractors and mini trucks, consumption household for post-harvest expenses, or construction of the family house and setting up of village cold storage facility. Which of the following is correct? So the correct answer is, everyone. So the correct answer is, everyone, just please answer the question, guys. So if we say that Kisan Credit Card Scheme short-term credit support has been given, working capital requirements, yes. Purchase of combined tractor, it is term loan type. Okay. Consumption household, yes. Post harvest expenses, yes. Construction of the family house, no. So 1, 3, and 4. P is the correct answer. Okay. Done? Yes. Next question. See, minimum support price was introduced in which year? Minimum support price was introduced in which year? Minimum support price, MSP. Important. सी MSP जो है ना recently काफी spark में है हर जगह. So MSP is important for you all. MSP 1964. Okay. MSP minimum support price 1964. Next. Okay, under farm mechanization scheme, loan is given for irrigation facilities, cultivation expenses, farm equipments, or digging wells. Farm mechanization scheme. Farm mechanization scheme. Farm mechanization scheme. So, farm mechanization scheme, purchase of farm equipments, not irrigation facilities. These are the working capital needs. Okay. So, purchase of farm equipment. So, under farm mechanization scheme, loan has been given for the purchase of the farm equipments. Okay. Next question. Next. Scale of finance for crop loan is decided by. Okay. Finance for crop loan, district level, state level, block level, or individual banks. Very easy. Again, so see, crop loans, scale of finance for crop loans, these are decided by the district level technical committee. These are decided by the district level technical committee. Next question. SARFAESI Act empowers the bank and financial institution to what? Without the intervention of court, to sell the, in case of default, you can enforce the securities without the intervention of the court, with the intervention of the court, with the intervention of the civil court only, or none of the above. Very easy. Securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of Securities Interest Act 2002. That is SARFAESI Act. That is SARFAESI Act. So it empowers what? So it empowers the bank, in case of default by the borrower, the bank can sell or enforce the securities without the intervention of any of the court. It empowers the bank to sell the securities without the intervention of any of the court. Okay. So next, NACH was implemented by NPCI for which of the following purpose? National Automated Clearing Houses was implemented by NPCI for which of the following purposes? Easy. For which of the following purposes? Yes, it is for the, yes, high volume electronic transaction. I've already mentioned it in the module D. Okay. So these are the questions which are repetitive. Actually, I have mentioned in the module D. Okay. So this is already uh, corrected by me. Okay. So last question, which of the following is not included in the standard banking code of conduct? So which of the following is not included in the standard banking code of conduct? Now easy. Which of the following is not uh, included in the standard banking code of conduct? See, profitability is not included in the standard banking code of conduct, as you all know. And the last question for this class, 100th question, which of the following is not a principle of ethics? Fairness, dignity, goodwill, remain conscious of profit at all the time. Very easy. Last question. So, which of the following is the principle of ethics? Fairness, dignity, goodwill, or remain conscious of the profit at all cost? So, obviously, D is the correct answer. Done? Clear? So, this is it for today. This is it for today. Yes, everyone, this is it for today. And I hope that you have enjoyed this session. So if you have liked the session, just please give a thumbs up to this session. Please share this session. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe the channel and press the bell notification icon. And all the best for your exam. All the best for your exam. Please pass this exam with flying colors tomorrow. I have mentioned all the important questions in module A, B, C, and D. Just revise these sessions, module A, B, C, and D, and with the final marathon 1 and 2. Just revise all the 6, 7 lectures which I have taken recently in this channel. In the last 1 week, you will be able to crack your exam definitely. Okay, all the best for your exam, and thank you so much for joining this session. Do take care yourself. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. Bye, guys. Take care. Thank you.